Hello people off the internet. We're going to test these, what's this one? This is a Pro sort of, what do you call them? Sort of like a flexi seat thing that packs into this. Weighs about, I don't know, a pound, maybe £2. Details on the link below. Anyway, so there's two types. There's this one, which is a high back, which was the first one, no, the second one I bought. We'll look at both options and I'll tell you the pros and cons of it. So let's get this unpacked. That's the legs and that's the seat. Don't need the bag. Now the bag has handles either side so you can strap it. It also has sort of, what do you call them, sort of like military quick release tag things. So if you've got carabiners and things like that, or Velcro straps, you can put it onto your backpack and take it with you. We'll just undo the Velcro. We'll come back to this in a second. Undo the Velcro and just let it do its thing. I'll just grab the biggest middle one. And you can hear it already starting to just click into place. So I mean, that's it. That's it's assembled. Now, it's got splayed feet, as you can see here. So it doesn't sink into dirt and sand and soil and all that. So it's pretty good. Now, you can see there's a bit of wear and tear on these. We've used them on tarmac. We've used them on concrete, anywhere, everywhere, and now we're on a beach. So the next thing we do is we've got the high back, put the feet down on the back of this. You basically slide the top part in first, make sure it's the right way around. Yep. So slides on, get the second one in. They're quite flexible so you can maneuver them around. Top part, second part is you just slide them into here. When you're getting new, when they're new, can be a bit tight and these can be a bit tighter. Done. Literally, I mean, it takes less than a minute. Let's get them over here. You got little pockets on either side for your mobile phone, keys, whatever. Complete, that's it, perfect. Now, the second one, this is a camo-y. I think you just make these words up, to be honest. Same principle again, smaller bag, lightweight. There's all your legs. There's your seat itself, don't need that. Again, same thing. You can actually thread these two handles underneath the seat, so if you want to put valuables in that and keep it off the ground, you can do that. Open this up, put this between my legs, open that up, grab the big thick handle, give it a shake, let it do its thing, and voila. Again, same sort of feet splayed out so they don't sink in the sand. Get your seat back, same thing, pop that on, make sure the feet are at the bottom, event to the top. There we go. Smaller version. Look at that. One pocket. Take a seat. Now, this one, it's a bit lower. And there's less back support. They are quite comfy. Now, I'm a big unit. What do I weigh, love? 18 odd stone. And it handles me no bother at all. But I'm getting on. 50 years old. See, there's a bit of a height difference. So it's just about 5 inches lower, maybe 4. And with this, you're sitting a little bit higher and it's easier to get out of. So that's the Pro and the camo. Great for kids, great for visitors. Just pack it up, put it in your bags. And we store these in the motorhome. Links in the description below. There's also a link off for everything else that I bought for the T4 that I had. Still selling it, still have it. Getting it, what we're doing, we're going to get the timing belt and water pump done, and then we're also going to get this oil leak done. So if anybody's thinking about buying it and is worried about leaks, come back in about 3 weeks time and it'll be sorted. So I'm going to take it offline, get these bits and pieces fixed, and then get it back on. So we're in Downhill. We drove here earlier. It's lovely. It was lovely. Yesterday the sea mist came in. Today, cloudy. A slight chance of drizzle. So we've got the awning up. Yeah. So we're just gonna use one of these chairs, put the camo away, tidy away for it in case we do have visitors. And then we're going to enjoy our evening. So until next time, see you later, guys. Oh, no, tell you what I'm going to do. We're going to do a quick review of Downhill and what's available around here, actually. And give you some pitfalls. I did do a little video last week of, I think it was actually released this week. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Of what's available, what you can come down here and what it looks like. So it's a really good spot. We like it. We've been here loads now. You've got the temple up there. There's a pizza place down there somewhere. Lovely. Had pizza here yesterday and onion rings. My wife loved the onion rings. Pizza was lovely, quite reasonable, considering it's like a caravan space. There's a big camping area right down there in Benone. But yeah, I'll show you the facilities and the bits and pieces you can actually see and use sneakily with a motorhome. So this is now becoming more of a motorhome sort of channel. Let me take you over to the bridge and give you the statistics so you know whether you can bring your motorhome or your van down here. So back in a second. So there's toilet facilities just off the beach before you go through the bridge area. Now, we have been known to maybe empty our waste tank in there. Maybe we have, maybe haven't. Maybe I've just said we do. We do. Just make sure that if you are going to do that, just leave it nice and clean and tidy. There are obviously female toilets around the side, and also there's bins, which is a popular thing in Northern Ireland where we can actually put our rubbish. When you're in the south of Ireland, good luck finding a bin to put any rubbish in. Across the street from the beach is the Temple Cove coffee shop. They do pastries and coffees and teas and also soups. It's a nice place, check it out. So there we have it, folks. This is Downhill Beach, just before you get to Coleraine after Benone. Definitely check it out, watch for the soft sand, and make sure you take your rubbish home with you. Or dump it in the bins near the toilet. Perfect place to come and visit. Great for motorhomes, great for the day, great for the kids. We love it here.